Look, okay. I'm back once again. I stepped up in the building. I'm on some other shit. I'm on some good shit. See, now I got to thinking. I sit back, relax, recline my fucking seat, and now I'm right back. I'm back to the shit. I skipped the motherfucking basics. I went to the pro stage. Nigga, I'm the realest. Fucking with the illest. I fucking with some killers. But motherfuck that other shit. I'm on the road to riches. I'm trying to reach 1 million. Blue faces in my pocket. Got these niggas looking funny when I step up on the scene. And they bitches all on me. Like nigga with a C. And y'all niggas ain't nothing like me. Cause I'm a real nigga. Fucking nigga ghost been about this shit. Since a youngin'. Since I was knee high in diapers. Young niggas I been about it. Any nigga talking her best believe and seen about it. Me, I'm on the block once again. I'm getting it, homie. I'm just living my life and living my life is how I want it. I'm getting this money, I'm stacking this money, that's how I want it. Currency, young nigga. Hey, currency, young nigga. I'ma get this fucking money, nigga. I'ma whack me up for a nigga. I'ma stay up on my grind. These niggas wanna play tough, but these niggas really ain't about it. These niggas really ain't rough. I'ma stay getting this money, and I'ma stay counting this currency. Niggas hating like what? These niggas really ain't tough. On the road to bitches, my nigga, I'm trying to get it, my nigga. These niggas faking, my nigga, but I ain't paying them no attention. And I'm not giving these niggas no time of day, my nigga. Passing bitches like nothing, cause they ain't nothing, my nigga. Flying past these niggas while I'm drifting it through the glaciers. Smoking on that motherfucking good roll paper. Wiz Khalifa said my swishes, nigga, I'm just blowing. These niggas say they bout it for it, nigga, you just hoeing. My favorite reader choice is that motherfucking purple. Talking about that shit so purple like Barney, I rolled it up. Fuck it, then I smoke it, that shit gets me high as fuck. Take my mind off the bullshit like what the fuck. I been through so much shit, I lost so many homies. Rest in peace to 60 Ball, R.I.P. to Kobe. Fuck these niggas ain't really shit, my homie. I lost my niggas to gunplay, they gon' feel it, nigga. Fuck them niggas.